of the key things to solve our problems in Africa is the collaboration aspect of it. And if we don't meet each other, if we don't greet each other, if we don't know each other, it makes it a lot difficult to collaborate.
Events like this are important for Africa because they give people a chance to discuss and share ideas from many, many different sectors and viewpoints. Without that dialogue, without that coalescence of different fields, of people who are doing different things in different parts of the continent and different sectors, we wouldn't be able to move our continent forward.
This event is actually about changing the narrative on Africa. It's very important to really showcase Africa as a continent and not lumped as one country.
It's great because a lot of people coming together for a common goal, which is to improve our continent and the economy in Africa. And more than anything, we want to see a better Africa whenever we left this world. So it's great to see everybody here. It's great to see a lot of minds that think alike for the development of our continent.
This event, I think, is one of the most important events on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly for the African continent. And that's why you've seen so many African leaders attend, because they know they have to be at GABI. They know that Unstoppable Africa is really shining a positive spotlight on the continent because we are definitely unstoppable.
I'm so happy to see all people here inside this room. I can feel the African excellence.
Because of the data points, 1 in 3 people by 2050 who are going to be of working age are going to be in Africa. 1 in 4 people in the world by 2050 are going to be in Africa. The numbers speak for themselves.
The thing that I would really think about now, I think that's most important, is really about the green economy and thinking through how we can put together on the continent a climate positive economic framework. That's where I think a lot of money should go, and I think that's what's going to be transformative.
I own a record label, a film production company, worked in esports. So obviously my bias is only the creative economy. The creative sector has the potential to hire the most people, only second to agriculture. So I think that's the place to put your money, and if you want to talk about it, hit me up. That's all.
I'm in the sports sector, but I always feel like investing in the youth is key.
Africa is unstoppable, but individually we can only achieve but little, but collectively we can achieve great things. So I believe such events, Unstoppable Africa, organized by the UN, organized by passionate people who are passionate about Africa, can only be good for our continent as a whole. So thumbs up, let's keep moving.
Now, this has been a great event. I've had a good time. Looking forward to doing next year. I mean, we haven't finished this year. This is just Thursday of a 2-day event, and I'm already looking forward to next year. So thanks for putting this together, and thanks for having us.
It's just quite overwhelming how many people are here, and I'm happy I made the trip.
There's so many amazing deals and opportunities that have come out of this event. I've witnessed some incredible deals being struck. So I'm really excited about what the future holds from today moving forward, and I think it's an absolute privilege to be part of this event.
These conferences, these organizations are great, but without action, it's to no avail. So I'm really pushing, everybody to continue to execute, continue to stand by their words, and with these connections that are made, let's see what action comes from it.